And welcome to another edition of the Wax Busters. I, who are usually running the camera, will be busting a box right now of 2007 Threads football. Looking for that guy right there, Mr. Adrian Peterson. Quinn would be nice, but I'll take what I can get. First pack. Not bad. Little Willie Parker mojo. Other than that, not much else. Here we go. Come on, something big. Letterman. Demetrius Williams, number to 250. I could think of better things to pull. There we go. Ooh, nothing. Nice. Not. Garbage. I thought you got
no hits yet.
I thought you got an insert, at least a pack. Ridiculous. In the words of Norm MacDonald. Ooh, Scott Chandler. Number to 50. That'll get me 75 cents plus shipping. Nothing. Oh, number to 50. Oh, I got my autograph. What a goofy looking guy. Aaron Ferruz. Nice. First thing he should buy with his NFL paycheck is a new name. That's almost disappointing. Demetrius Williams. Oh, come on. Levi Brown. Yay. Let's go. Come on, Mojo. Deion Sanders, Devin Hester. That would have been a nice little game used. Apparently they don't want to be nice to me today. Whatever. Here we go. Come on. This is terrible.
Here it is.
I'm sorry. The highlight of the box. I think this might have a hit. Oh. Adrian Peterson.
Not numbered?
Nothing. I don't even know if that was worth pulling. It is Adrian, 75 cents. Here we go, here we go. God. Terrible. Must mean...
Saving it all for the end.
Yeah. Big fan.
That's what we do here at Wax Busters.
Here we go, here we go. Jonathan Wade. Someone will want that, I guess.
Number to 100.
Not bad. I'll tell you, I guess I gotta take it. Here we go. Here's a hit. Purple. That'd be Peterson.
It is.
It is. Rookie thread. Number to 500.
Nice little piece of jersey there.
Not bad. It's who I wanted, I guess, or who I needed to pull. Bo Jackson.
Still got 2 more hits.
2 left. Maybe one of them. Be a nice little auto on a letter. That would be sweet. Here's Larry Little. Oh, come on. Mojo. Can I get a little mojo? Drew Brees, 250. Whatever. Jeez. Come on. Here we go. Here's a hit. Here's a hit. This is going to be huge. Nice autograph. Donald Driver, dual jersey. 4 of 25.
Not bad.
Yeah.
2 autos in 1 box here.
Isn't that kind of what it's supposed to be? Donald Driver. Come on. More mojo. Travis Wilson. Number to 100. Oh, come on, where's my last hit? We're gonna have some last pack mojo today, or what? Oh, there it is. Garbage.
Clinton Portis, Single jersey number to 250.
Garbage. Michael Allen. I'm saving that. Stupid.
Last pack mojo.
Yeah, Chad Johnson. Ocho Cinco. Garbage. Well, there it was. Another terrible box break by the Wax Busters. Bye. You did not.